Just arrived here in Morocco, in Casablanca. See? Wow. It's a sunny day. So hot over here. Here. Ayan. Yan yung nagsundo ko. Lucky that I'm wearing a sleeve. Is it always sunny here? Yan ang Morocco. Laki-laki ng ano nila. Ang laki-laki ng ground ng airport nila. Yan ako po. Ganyan. Oh, ganda ng ano nila. Napakalinis, napaka-quiet. Diba? Oh. Hindi magulo. Ganda dito guys. Alam mo ang unang impression ko pagdating sa ano pa lang, sa airport pa lang, eh nung what?
Nova, you know Nova? Nova.
Yeah, Nova. We will go there.
Yes.
Is she in the agency right now?
Yes.
Okay, good. Is Sir Yusuf is there too?
No.
Oh.
Maybe we come.
Oh, okay. Okay. O yung unang impression ko ng taga-immigration dito, grabe. Unless nakita nila yung kung ano ko, passport, dahil natataka na yun from Philippine immigration down here. Wala nang kuskus balungos. Iba talaga pag hindi kurakot, no? Walang kuskus balungos. Ayan. Just my observation and impression with them. Then, mag-approach sila sa tao, hindi si stricto. And then, laging nakasmile. Yung, immigration officer. All of the immigration officer inside the back office of immigration. So, tayo paakyat na. Ayan. Kasi nasa labas ang wala nang, hindi na